Hi teachers, it's Kat from catteacher.com. I just wanted to show you guys today how to create objects in Manycam. Now, what are objects? Objects are small or large pictures, ideally transparent, that you can put on your screen like this. And you can present anytime you want in the classroom to, to kind of help with props in the classroom. Basically, I have a whole folder just full of objects for trials, and that has worked really well. I've got a little puppy dog and things like that. So let's go figure out how to make these objects and how to get them working in Manycam. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to find some pictures. The easiest way to do that, go to Google, type in something like apple, clipart, and let's add transparent in there just so that we can hopefully find something that works for us. If we go to the images, you can look at clipart, clear background, transparent background, things like that. Let's just click on one and see what it looks like. How about this one? That looks nice. Now you can kind of see that this has these little gray and white blocks in the background. That means that it's transparent. So that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to save the image as something. Apple clip art, cool. So you can see I've been making some before this. Now this is what's called a PNG or a JPEG. And basically what you can do is you can go over to manycam.com, click on resources, go to effects, and let's go ahead and build our own. Okay, so we're going to create an effect here, and you can check this out. You can pull this over here. The category is already objects. Now this is a little too big for me. Once you resize this is the only time you can do this. So I would just go ahead and resize it just a little bit, maybe about the size of my face. That looks good. Subcategory, that's fine. Effect name. Something descriptive is helpful, like apple, fruit, one, red, something like that. So that, if you're ever searching for something and you need just to show an example, all of those are in the effect name. We're going to hit download here. And if you simply click on this object, it will open up automatically in Manycam. Now let's go find it. So we'll go back to our effects. Unordered, you see objects here. That's where my little apple is sitting right now. Okay, so now I have a cute little apple. He's transparent, so he doesn't block anything or move anything. And if I want to move him to my trial objects, now he's over here and he's in my trial objects, which is great. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Where are some places that you can find clip art? You can find a lot more objects basically just in the Manycam effects, filters and effects. You could search effects here and we could put in the word apple. And here we go. Here we got some pictures of apples. You can find your own online. And another good place is Etsy. I love buying clip art. I use them for a lot of my different materials. Just make sure that when you buy clip art that you are giving, credit where credit is due. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that you enjoy making your new Manycam objects, and I will see you soon. Thanks, guys.